Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use VLC for watching movies, watching videos, and media. So the first thing you need to do is to locate the VLC app. If you do not have this application already installed, check out the tutorials on this channel showing you how to download and install apps with a variety of methods. And when you have the application, scroll onto it on the app drawer and click on it to get in. So now that you're in, you notice the browse button right here. If you have your maybe media content, videos, movies in your internal storage or wherever it is on the device you're using, aside from an Android operating system, you can access it from here. You could also use it on your Android TV, TV box, Google TV. Click on the browse button and you find internal memory right here. You find some folders, permanent folders which are favorites, like the download, movies, music, podcasts. So choose the location of choice. If it's the video is on internal storage, just get the particular folder it is in and access it. For instance, if you want to play a media file like this, just clicking on it is going to begin the media play, and it's going to play the film, it's going to play the music, it's going to play whatever media content of choice. If you found value in that tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.